close to my face. This is pre-filming. Getting myself hyped. 1, 2, and you're gonna roll it to the left and then roll it to the right. And lip exercises: B-A-B, B-E-B, B-I-B, B-I-B, oboe. Ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again so much for joining me for another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to GlamTam. Today's video, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial, or I'm going to be doing it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this slick back faux bun on my short natural hair. Y'all know my hair is short and it's natural, so the fact that I actually got my hair pulled back like this, it's a real true miracle. And not only that, but this is my first time doing this, so it just shows you guys how easy and simple and fast it is. So if I can do it, trust me, y'all can do it. On that note, if you want to see how I achieve this cute style, please continue to watch. You guys know the drill. Like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye. I don't know why I do the double wave, but it's like my thing. So bye guys. Let's go. Alright, so we are going to be starting off with freshly shampooed hair, and I went ahead and sectioned it off and detangled it. That's the key to doing this type of hairstyle, is making sure it is nice and detangled or it's not going to work. Another key is using some Eco Styler gel to make everything nice and smooth. And I'm gonna tell y'all a secret, this is the first Eco Styler gel bottle that I've actually owned. Don't judge me. Alright, so I'm gonna be starting off with the back of my hair and taking those sections and making smaller sections, so a section within a section. The shorter your hair is, the more sections you might have to use, and that's just going to help you to be able to control your hair and help it to get nice and evenly distributed with the gel. And you're going to be using a generous amount, like the more product, the more better your hair is going to turn out. Like you can't use too much product with this type of style. And I'm just taking that gel and distributing it throughout my hair and using a hard bristle brush. That's going to help everything be nice and saturated and make it lay down really smoothly with no lumps, humps, or bumps. Because like I said, if your hair is detangled and it has like lumps and kinks in it, then it's not going to lay down right. And then you're just going to take like a hair tie and make a small little ponytail or a bun. And you can make your bun as high or low as you would like, just depending on wherever you brush your hair and wherever you make that ponytail. So I'm just going to be doing that throughout the rest of my head, and I'm going to speed up this process so you guys can see how it is supposed to look like at the end. satisfied with how my hair is nice and smoothed out, I'm just customizing my edges and making them nice and neat with just the edge control brush that I got from the beauty supply store. And the hair that I'm going to be using is just the kinky style braiding hair that I got from the beauty supply store. And you're just taking that and wrapping it around a hair tie. And I just take it and wrap it around that bun that I created whenever I was brushing my hair back with the gel. It's really easy, and you have to realize that the more hair that you have whenever you do this part, the bigger the bun is going to be. So I'm just going to take it and start twisting it down to make it nice and tight. And after that, then you're just going to wrap it around that bun that you created earlier, and just keep wrapping it and cover up the bun first and then wrapping it around. And it is going to be good to go. If you want to use a bobby pin afterwards, you can. But I promise y'all, after you take it and tuck in the end of this hair, it's not going to go anywhere. And that is what it should look like afterwards. And this step is optional. If you want to tie your hair down, you can. I know some people tie it down overnight and some people don't tie it down at all. I personally just tie it down as I'm doing my makeup, just to make sure everything is nice and laid down and molded to my hair. And afterwards, you are all set. Like I said, I love this style, number one, because it lasts all week and it's really easy and fast to do. So if you're kind of running out of styles to do with your natural hair, this will be perfect. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye guys.